Hey guys, welcome back. Houston Math Prep here. In this video, we're going to solve a quadratic equation by completing the square. So our first step when we solve by completing the square is to move the existing constant to the other side of the equal sign. In this case, that has us subtracting 25 from both sides. Try that again. There we go. All right, so that leaves us with x squared minus 6x equals negative 25. Now I'm going to get set up to add my new constant so that I have a perfect square trinomial. I know that creating that new constant means taking my b, dividing it by 2, and squaring. In this case, that is a negative 6 divided by 2 squared. So that is a negative 3 squared, or positive 9. So to complete my perfect square trinomial on the left, I'm going to add 9. And to maintain balance on both sides of my equal sign, I'm going to add 9 to the right as well. I now have a perfect square trinomial on the left that factors through this middle term to become x minus 3 squared. You can verify that factoring for yourself, okay, but trust the process. And that's equal to negative 25 plus 9, or negative 16. Now we want to square root both sides to get rid of our squared. Okay, so square rooting both sides, I now have x minus 3 equals, we know that we get plus or minus always when we take the square root of both sides. Square root of 16 is 4, and because we have that negative underneath, we're going to get an I in our answer. So we know that we're going to be getting non-real or complex solutions here. All right, last but not least, we're going to add that 3 over to isolate our x. And so our solutions are x equals 3 plus or minus 4i. All right, so there's another example of solving a quadratic equation by completing the square. See you in the next video.